how does it know it was included?
Yeah, you can do like the same thing. What you do is right. You can use the IP also. 172.217. Both are same only. 46. I'm using the Google IP address. Let's see. Again, it will go same way. It will process and you can see same way it will go. You can use IP address also. So, but in our scenario, we will have only 4 IP address. So first it will go to user, go to router will go to firewall will go to printer router and printer. If anything goes wrong, it will show block like star star. Then you can see, hey man, is dropping here. Please check your network. Here what is dropping. Like that. You can debate with them. Okay. So this is called tracer. Again, telnet. Telnet is like sometimes for security reason we block ping. Okay. So ping protocol we for security reason we block. Even telnet also sometimes we block. Okay, to some security reason we block it. Okay, that time for checking the connectivity, just think ping we block. For checking the connectivity, we use telnet. Sorry, telnet to check the connectivity. Both ping is like ping only, but instead of IP, we'll use with a we include the port also with IP. Let me see telnet working. Telnet my 192.168.1.1. I'm putting 80 port. Okay, 80 port. Let's see. You can see it's working, right? Port is open. Or bad request. So telnet, same way. It's like ping, but with checking the port 168.1.1 443. 80. It's open. But thing is, why is coming like that is we don't have any web server. Nothing service there for listening. That's the reason. So it's a way to check the port is working, whether it's working or not.
Okay, so what is the function of telnet? I know the function of trace. Do you want to trace what was the blockage or what was it optimal or not? But then the third function, which is the telnet, what is the use of telnet?
Now telnet is just like ping only. It's again a ping. So most of the companies will block the ping protocol. That time you need to use
so
that.
that's another option for ping.
Yeah, correct. This is option for ping.
Okay, because they know the ping, so they block you. Then you have to.
Yeah. Telnet. The reason is they will not allow ping protocol. It's not secured. So we'll use to telnet to check, especially the port. Like for example, you just see your printer. Printer is using 8080 protocol. Okay, to port to for printing. So maybe they block the ping means. Then what you can do is telnet your IP address, printer IP address 192.168.1.1, 1.10 something. Then your printer port number 8080. If you put that, it like black blank page. If it comes means then the candidate is there. If it didn't come, then candidate is not there.
Got it.
Okay, so this is a way. But mostly internal ping they will not block. But some companies like mostly big MNC company for more security will block it actually ping. You can ask me why you're blocking. Okay, it's just like prevention, hacking prevention. Like one hacker is there. He just run a script and he can get all the pinging device and he can hack the live device, right? So for preventing that, we are preventing like hackers don't know which IP is live, like which system is live. So we are blocking the pings. Okay. So this is the concept. So fine. So this is the concept of all your network thing and this thing. Yep, go ahead.
I've seen sometimes when we try to obtain a specific IP address, we use ping. And in most cases, it applies
Okay.
because we are internally, we're not pinging from outside, we rather are pinging from inside the company, right? But sometimes, when, like I told you, when we're using an all-in-one scanner / printer, and I want to do an IP address coming from that printer, it seems like the firewall blocks it. And then I saw a network guy came and he typed something in the command and allowed
Okay.
the IP address to penetrate.
Okay.
So it's like kind of fascinating for me. So what he did, and I just always, because it was like his secret, doesn't want you to see it. But he kind of did something to the firewall.
Exactly. Yeah. That I'll come to the point. I'll come next. Firewall. What is firewall? I'll come to the point. You're what you're saying, right? After this, I'll cover the firewall topic. Then you'll understand.
Okay, clear. Thank you.
Okay. So you got the concept, right? This network till
Yes,
now
yes,
you clear, right?
very clear. Thank you.
Okay. So fine. So I can explain the PAT, but I think it will make you confused. PAT and all. Fine, it will be NAT itself. PAT, I think maybe I try to explain out. Like we'll see. I explain you, but let's see that PAT is now. What is router? Router is like if you have two subnet, a different subnet. If you have different subnet or different IP, it can be different IP and different subnet IP range. Let's think different IP range. To connect between the two IP range using the concept of router. Okay. Use the concept router.
Are you asking me?
Yeah, no. I'm explaining you. So for connecting between different router, different subnet using concept router. Now say this guy is a HR. This subnet is HR subnet, and this subnet is a protection subnet. Now, if I do like this, both will be all everything open, right? This guy can access everything in HR, right? Then this guy can access everything protection, right? But just think the use case, I have only one server, and this protection guy is accessing only one server. Okay, the servers are only 443 port. Any port, just think 443 port. Okay, and that IP range is just think 10.1.1.10, and now I need to allow for the protection guy only this 10.1.1.10 and specifically 443 protocol. So how to do it? Here what the firewall will play. Basically for one IP, each IP we around 6,535 ports for each IPs. Like it started 1, 2, 3, like that.
Yeah.
Six that range of ports will come. Like your web will use 80 ports, 443 port. Like
Yeah.
your FTP will use 21 ports. Like all the services will use different ports. But just think I'm using web server, and this production guy should allow. I need to allow only this guy 443. Then what I'll do? I always have a concept called firewall. So in firewall, what I will do is I will do it right by default. Everything is blocked in firewall. All are blocked. Now I write a rule that here how firewall behave is there is two methods. One is always all block allow what you write in the rules. Next is all allow block only what you write in the rules. But 99% people should prefer only first method. Block all, allow only what allowed in the rules, like that. Okay. So now I'm blocking everything, or by default everything blocked. Now I'm allowing in the write a rule that a simple rule that like how I'm doing like router ID, same thing. I write a rule like this guy IP range is just think 10 dot 2 dot 1 dot 255 1 dot 0 slash 24. Okay, so what I will do is I will source subnet. In firewall I write a rule like 10 dot source source sorry source equal to everything will be like GUI. In source I will type 10 dot 2 dot 1 dot 0 slash 24. In the destination I will type 10 dot 1 dot 1 dot 10. In the port I will type 443. In the action I will type hello. That's it. If I do this, then only these both guys have communication only for 443 and only for this subnet. This is the working basis of firewall. You got it right. So
Yeah.
what he told, right? So he told, right? It was not working, and I called the IT guy, and he came and he did some command prompt and it started working. So what it is, by default everything block. So when he called him, that guy came and noted that it is not allowed in the firewall rule. So he created a rule like source, destination, port, action allow. So your printer address and your subnet address, that's it, and it started working.
So this does not determine communication between two of them. Could be either way, right?
No, voice is too low. I barely can able to get. I think can you use my earphone? It's
No,
difficult to understand.
your speaker is too far now.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, no worry. Can you come again?
Looks like you are far away.
Okay, can you come again, please now?
Now I can hear.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
what I said is, remember, you created on the firewall for permission.
Okay.
You said source is equal to that 10 and 10 to 24, right? And then
Yeah, right. Yeah.
yes, and then destination is which is address for the HR. Then the
Yeah,
port
right.
you gave is the port of HR.
Yeah,
And
right.
then the action said a lot. Why the port of HR? Why not the port of production?
Yeah, good question. Actually, if I do like this, the traffic will flow only from this. It won't flow from here. Okay. So for accessing my web server, one flow is enough. If in case if I access I need to both the flow, then I need to write another rule like this in the same firewall. Source equal to 10.1.1.10 destination equal to 10.2.1.0. Okay, sorry. Port 443 action allow. It's like a single direction and bi-direction. How I want. If I want the traffic to be single direction, then allow only one side. If I need a traffic to be bi-direction, allow to both the side. Mostly for printers, um,
Is one
single
direction.
direction is enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, single
But
direction, one direction.
for a printer that has scanner, you need bi-direction.
Yeah. Then you need to allow both sides in firewall. It's valid question. So it depends upon the service. So basically for security, we have only one direction. If it is not working, then we'll have two direction. But for scanning, you told right, the both direction because you need a response signal. So we'll allow both the side. Okay. So any questions? Clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, so fine. What we'll do now? Okay, so I think I can help you to create the cloud account. Is it possible you to share the screen? I'll give control. Let us create a cloud account for you, and um, we can start practicing there. So next class will be like server. So we need a server to for practice. So it's better that you can have a server with you. So I'll create an account now for you. I'll help you to create account. So from next class we can start server class. Okay. Can you share your screen? I'll give control to you. Once again, I give control to you. I'll just guide you how to share it. Okay, sorry. How to create an account? Cloud account.
What do you want from sir?
So I just guide you. You can share your screen. I'll guide you how to create a cloud account and how to from next class we can create a VM. Can you share your screen? In the menu you can see screen. I just click on that and share the screen.
Clean screen, right?
Yep. No. I cannot see the screen.
Okay, are you in now?
Yep. I can. Now, what we'll do is so I just text you one link. Can you please open that?
Did you text me or text my wife?
Yeah, in the GoToMeeting I text you. Or else no problem. Go to Google and type Azure free account. Google. Just go to Google. Google and type Azure free account.
Right on the address bar or?
Yeah. You can type anywhere. Azure. Azure. AZURE.
You said Azure?
Yeah, right. Yeah, Azure. Yeah, AZURE.
My keyboard.
AZURE. Yeah.
My keyboard is not functioning.
Okay.